Hello, welcome to Good Neighbor. Today we're looking at this monster truck building set from LEGO. This is one of the building sets from the LEGO City series. We have 55 pieces in this set, and this is recommended for ages 5 and up. Inside the box we find 2 plastic bags of building blocks and the instruction booklet. When you buy LEGO building blocks, you can always count on its quality. The pieces always fit together nicely, and the picture instructions are clear and easy to follow. If you follow the instructions, this set can be completed from 10 to 20 minutes. Here we are showing you a short clip on how everything comes together. And this is the finished product. It is good as a showpiece or a playable toy. And it is not too expensive if you want to include this in the goodie bags. If your children like this monster truck, there are also other building sets in the LEGO City series, such as the street sweeper, the mail plane, the construction vehicle, the ice cream truck, the safari off-roader, and many more. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next time on Good Neighbor.